Here we do have 40% off the back wall. To be able to find Nike SB Dunks for 40% off, that is pretty freaking crazy. Some of the cheapest Jordan 1 low prices you will ever see. And then Jordan 1 hot OGs going for way too cheap. Holy crap. Do I gotta get these? We are out in Watts. Is it worth stopping by here around noon? Don't know. Let's find out. Usually I come here right when they open. 40% off the back wall. Did get lucky with the Kobe Air Force One restock last time. So many of you guys have asked if I'm selling those. I explicitly noted that I am buying them as a gift for somebody. Not 100% yet, but I'm pretty sure. $90 for Jordan 1 low OGs. You did get that extra 40% off. So $54 for Jordan 1 low OGs. Converse Patas right here. Converse Pata collab. And this is a Chuck 70. Got some really nice suede on it. It says Pata all over it. These are pretty dope. Size 5 men, 7 women's. Luca 3s right here, $130. Got some Dunks right here, $90. Got these in a 10.5 as well. And if you get Jordan 1 lows, make sure you try them on, because in my opinion, or in my experience, the Jordan 1 low OGs fit a little different from the regular Jordan 1 low. Make sure you guys let me know if that's the same for you guys. Another pair of Nike SB Dunks. I found some last time when I was here. If these were a size 9, I would grab them for my kiddo. But yeah, they are a size 8.5. That's not gonna work for him. Dang it. 40% off Nike SB Dunks. That's freaking crazy. I did walk over to the women's section. They accidentally got these right here. The women's, $90. That's a size 10. Look at these. Look at these. Pretty sure that's a 70 freaking dollars. $70, 40% off. 40% off. Really? Holy crap. Size 10.5 I think is more ideal, but size 10 does work. Really? 40 something dollars? That pan probably sucks balls, but I'm doing this by myself, you guys. I am a one-man show. $42. 42 effing dollars. $42 for Jordan 1 low OGs. I kind of feel obligated. $42. Man, the material kind of does suck. I'm not a fan of the satin material that they do use, but it does have the metal aglets, I think that's what they're called, and it is an OG colorway. There's the OG shadows. $42. Oh my god, I kind of feel obligated to get them. What are the alternate laces? Let's see what the alternate laces are. Let me see if I can open this with one hand, since I got my camera on my right hand. Oh, they're just flat laces. Do they have the metal aglets as well? They do. They might pop a little more. Not necessarily OG with that, but they pop a little bit better. Yeah, I might have to grab it. $42, really? And they do have additional sizes or additional pairs. These are all 11.5. That's an 11 right there. Primarily came here to see if they have any running shoes, Invincible runs, because I'm trying to get some wide foot friendly shoes for myself. But $42, really? It's one of the nets. Jordan 4 nets right here. These are freaking weird as hell. $210. Man, these look weird, dude. These look just awful. I don't know. This is like that high fashion stuff where they try to do high fashion and it just doesn't work. In my opinion, that's like half of Balenciaga stuff. That's half of like the high fashion stuff. But yeah, 210, size 8. Damn you, Nike, with your fantastic prices. Damn you. They do have the Mamba card out. They just put a few things on the back wall. I didn't check to see if there's a women's, a men's. All right, let's go check out the men's, see if I missed out on anything, see if they put something new out. I just realized I'm trying to buy something for some family friends. Are these priced the same as well? Yeah, size 11. Oh, that's not the casual one though. God dang it. No, I'm trying to buy smaller size for the casual. Dang it. And women's size 11. I'm trying to buy hoop shoes. Never mind. Never mind. Trying to find some size 7 casual shoes. $100 for these youth grade school. 100 bucks? Air Max ones right here, 75. Blazers right here, 70 bucks. Air Max 1, 75. One of those right there, but that's a women's 11. All right, back to the men's, and then I'm gonna make a short before I leave here so y'all can get that deal, hopefully, if y'all into it. You know, if you're not, whatever. $70 for the Blazer Low acronyms. They've been trying to sell these forever, I feel like. $40 for the Field Generals. These are size 11 and a half. Yeah, I got Jordan 1 High OGs, 190. Oh, this is a golf though. Hyper Dunks right here, size 7, 60 bucks. KD 17, $75 for those slightly imperfect size 13s. 90 for these bad boys right here. These are another 10 and a half. These definitely aren't Max RS6s, but that's the cheapest we've ever seen these. Legacy 312s. Yeah, 80 bucks. Next gens right here, 96. I feel like we've seen those cheaper. Air Max DNS or DN8. My bad. 160. Curious to see if they're gonna extend the size. Those, not really, but got the Air Max 90s, 130, 40 off. I guess that's a pretty solid freaking deal. I keep telling myself I'm not gonna buy more. I'm not gonna buy more, and then I find shoes that are pretty much free, right? Pretty much free. $140 off. I gotta get them, right? I don't know. If you're a Raider fan, those Jordan 1 highs are a must. But they only have a couple of sizes. So, not for everybody, I guess. I do got LA Rams, $45. Like, for stuff like that, you can get them and just keep them for Christmas. And then you'll find someone to give it to. $45 for Rams t-shirts. This a Ram hoodie right here? Yeah, Ram hoodie. What's it, 75? At least you get 40% off this entire rack. Christmas hoodie right here, go for $88. Double XL. Couple more racks, and you do get 40% off the entire rack right here. $50 double XL hoodie. I thought it was gonna start warming up, and then it started getting cold all of a sudden again. So we do still need our hoodie. $65. It's a lightweight hoodie though. Grabbed one of these jackets. I grabbed it. What was it, a Camarillo? I think I paid, yeah, 21. It's cheaper here. Holy crap. Man, I can't believe it's cheaper here. What is that, $18? I think I paid 21. That is medium weight, but it's thicker than I thought. It has been keeping me warm. I have already tried them on. Do got ACGs right here, Storm Fit, so we know this is gonna be hella expensive. Yeah, $265. 40% off though. That is hella legit. PG jerseys, tell me they're like $18 now. 80 bucks still? Yeah, that still means 48 bucks. That's a little much. Zion jersey, kind of a generic Jordan brand Zion jersey, $45. ACG hoodie, we know this is going to be expensive. Yeah, $135. Is this one of the snowboarding pants? We've seen these before. They are so freaking expensive. Does have Gore-Tex on it. $400, 400 bucks. Holy crap. Who goes snowboarding in this neighborhood though? I don't want to be all stereotypical stuff, but like people in the hood, like don't really go snowboarding. $70 for Jordan sweats right there. It's actually a nice material though. Normally 100 bucks. And I guess 400, you do get that 40 off. So 240 is significantly lower than 400, but that's still way too high. I haven't gone snowboarding in 20 years. But yeah, $35 for fleece shorts right there. All right, that's the 3 sales racks. All right, we're definitely gonna check the aisles. Let's start with the end caps, and not much in the end caps. Checking out the Jordan section right here. These Tatums are going for 100 bucks. And a bunch of Team J's right here. And not many people asked for them, so we're just gonna go buy them real quick. Even more, got the MVPs. They did the juke move with this. I saw someone have this box. I was like, what? But yeah, MVP box. I was like, what? Thought they had the gratitudes. Dude got the Legacy 312 lows. Jordan 11 low IEs. Couple of mids. They're both SEs though. And a regular mid. Got another Raiders special with the lows. Budget signatures, KD Trey 5s right here. Dude got Immortalities, also got Witnesses. And then we got the Next Gens. I feel like that's been here for a while. Flood of Calm slides, 55, 45. We've been even seeing these on sale at the retail shop, so not that much of a surprise. Steel Shot 2 leathers, Field Generals. We've been seeing these for hella cheap. Full box, you get them for $24. Got some SB Heritage Volks right here. Got 3 different colorways, as well as the SB Alley-Oop. Lunar Roams, Airspan right here. Vomero 5. And got all kinds of dunks. They had more, which means a lot of them are sold, and now a bunch of them on the back wall. Got SEs right here with the upgraded material. Retros, these are supposedly retros. I don't see it with the material. Some lows, mids right here. Then do got a trio of 2017s. Black on white, 3M on black. And then a bunch of generics. I don't even see any like premium running shoes, nothing too crazy over here. I love Instagram, but I hate Instagram because I be getting stupid questions. People are asking about the metallic fives. I'm like, I have an entire video. I have an entire video of what happened. I showed on Instagram, and I even noted on Instagram, hey, I have a full video that shows, but yeah, people don't want to watch. People don't want to watch, asking a million questions. They still there? They like, what do you guys think, dude? They got resale and people are out and about. Like, come on now, dude. 140 for these bad boys right here. I know those of you guys that do watch each of my videos, y'all know what's up, right? Y'all know those are sold, and I even showed in my video that, hey, there was only one of them there, but I don't know. It is what it is. It is what it is. But yeah, dude got these for 140. Love-hate relationship with Instagram, dude. I swear to God. 130 for the UNC to Chicago. I was busy ranting about Instagram instead of looking at what colors. These are dope right here. These even, yeah, these are freaking fire, but they don't have the size that I need for one of my homegirls. $90, definitely worth it, especially with 40% off. That comes out to what, $54, something like that. They got a couple of blazers up top. Got another one right here. These are size 6 women, so too small. 130. Dunks have made it to the back wall. 85. What's up with these Air Max 97s? $88, slightly imperfect. I've talked about it a million times. If you find something that is refurbished and it's listed as slightly imperfect, check your pairs. Check your pairs. Most of the times they're good, but sometimes there are issues. Sometimes issues are hella minor. Like you see 312s in an interesting colorway. 105. 60 for the GT Cut Academies. I just left the Foot Locker outlet and you said, damn, I should have just bought a 9.5 there for one of the kids. I'm trying to buy some basketball shoes for. God dang it, I'm so stupid. But yeah, it looks like they have size 11, 11.5 of those Jordan 1 High OGs. All right, let's check out the aisles, and then I'm gonna make my short and get the heck out of here. The Wild Mango Dunk Low Next Natures. I feel like these were at another spot last time. They were here, but they were at another place. Maybe it's in my head, I don't know. Got Elemental Pink, black and white. Of course, always got blazers. Got them in all white, all black, and then black and white. Got some of the Wild Air Force Ones. White and Wild Mango. Platinum Violet. White and Dark Raisin. What the hell? Where do they get these names? Got a couple of the Air Max 270s. Jordan 1 slips right here. Metcon 5s. They're the free Metcon 5s, that is. Black and white. Got a bunch of generics. Air Max Theas right there. That's the cheapest we've seen those. I feel like these have been here for like a year. They might be getting extra shipments though. But yeah, dang, dude, that's about it. That's about it. Air Max 90s. That's it. I guess I gotta get these. 40, what the hell are these? $42. $42. I know the material's not the greatest because the material creases so quick on these. But for $42, really? I think I'm gonna have to get them. Just too good of a price. I'll make a short right now and get the hell out of here. I need to do a survey. Like, there is a survey on this thing, and I need to do them. Like, show them some appreciation. Cause look at this. $70. You get that extra discount. $42. $42 effing for Jordan 1 High OGs. And if you do the survey right there, yeah, you know, it helps them. And you want to reward good behavior. They've always been really nice here, and they always hook us up with discounts. Look at this, really? Come on now, dog. Driving the old Asian man's car. Or, yeah, that's a lot of old Asian dudes drive this, right? Toyota Avalon. This is my dad's car. But yeah, I'm driving this because I took it to the mechanic. And dang it. Got a few things looked at for him. Don't take your stuff to the dealer. I don't know why my pops took stuff to the dealer. They almost ripped him off. They're saying, hey, he needs a couple $1,000s worth of work done. Took it to my mechanic that I've been going to for years. Yeah, almost none of it needed to get done. Here at Nike Community Store Watts, where they got 40% off the back wall, they do have some pretty freaking dope items. Jordan 1 Low OGs go for $90. Then you get that discount. They got these in a couple sizes. Plenty of dunks in different colorways and different sizes. So these are going for $100. You get that 40 off. They got retros even in the aisles. Then they got insane steals like these Jordan 1 High OG satin shadows. Look at the price on these. $70. You do get that extra 40% off. So what does that come out to? $42? And of course, that deal is just amazing. So not too many sizes left. Size 11 women's, 11 and a half women's. Man, I hope you guys are quick. Of course, we got a full video coming out on the Cool Kids YouTube channel. So make sure you guys check out the channel, fools. Happen to be on Torrance. 40% off the back wall. Jordan 1 Black Toe Reimagine. Jordan 1 High, that is. These are size 8 right here. To be able to get these for 40% off. But they have a size 8 right here. Also have an 8.5. They still have tech fleece, $60. They still have multiple sizes on this camo. Wait, do got these in the men's right here. Invincible Run 3s, all white.